Okay, so we want to find the vertex of this parabola. So what do they mean, first of all, by a vertex? Well, a parabola either opens up or it opens down. If it opens up, then the vertex is going to be the lowest point, or the minimum. If it opens down, the vertex is going to be the highest point, or the maximum. Now, how do you tell which situation you have? Well, you look at the leading coefficient. And we can see that the leading coefficient here is 3. And if the leading coefficient is a positive number, then you're going to be in this situation. So that second part of the question, is it maximum or minimum or lowest point? The vertex here is going to be the lowest point. So the second part, you can answer that one easily. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this expression. So instead of y, I'm going to rewrite it with as a function, f of x. So it's the same thing. And now I'm going to identify the coefficients. I'm going to call that A. I'm going to call the 5 B. And that's going to be our C. So when you identify it like that, then the vertex will have coordinates h comma k, where the x-coordinate h is going to be equal to minus b over 2a. And the y-coordinate k is going to be f evaluated at the x-coordinate. Okay, so let's get this x-coordinate first. So that's going to be minus 5 over 2 times 3. And so that's going to be minus 5/6. So that's going to be my x-coordinate of the vertex. Now let's see what the y-coordinate is. The y-coordinate is going to be f evaluated at the x-coordinate h. So that's going to be f evaluated at negative 5/6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this formula for f, and everywhere there's an x in it, I'm going to replace it with negative 5/6. So plus 5 times negative 5/6 and plus 1. Okay, so my y-coordinate is going to be, now when I square that, I will lose the negative sign and I'll get 25 over 36. So I'm going to have 3 times 25 over 36. And here I'm going to have negative 25 over 6. And I'm just going to have 1. Okay. Now you could put these into a calculator. You're going to need your answer as a fraction because it needs to be an exact answer. But I can see I have cancellation. 36 is 3 times 12. Okay, so I'm going to have 25/12. And I want to write this fraction here as a fraction with 12 in the denominator. Again, you can use a calculator to do this. So if I multiply top and bottom by 2, I'm going to get minus 50 over 12. And then I'm going to rewrite 1 as 12/12. And then you can put them all into one fraction now. And in the numerator, you're going to have 25 minus 50 plus 12. And 25 minus 50 plus 12 is going to be negative 13. And so that is our k. And so that's the y-coordinate of our vertex. So this is your answer. And that is simplified. Nothing cancels. So it said to, I think, to type in your coordinates. And so you just type in that, use the backslash there, comma, like that. That's how you would type it in. Okay, so that completes the video, and thank you for letting me help you.